Hi, I want to record this Canva video today because I tried to record something in Canva and it's so not intuitive as to where you find how to do it. Let's go to my screen and I'll show you how. I was trying just to record a very simple video of a new VBook, which is the PDF that actually contains videos, a Canva crash course. I thought it'd be really quick and easy to do, but there's nowhere really obvious. I had to look it up, which is a bit sad, and found that actually you find it under the illogical place to me, which is Uploads. You go to your Uploads on the side here, and it says Record Yourself. While I'm recording this video, I'm going to get into a clash here, but we'll see how far we can get. Let me just try this. I press on the titles, and then I have this option to record, and it puts this nice picture of me there. But I've just got it on the camera at the moment. As you can see, recordings are limited to 25 minutes a page, and if you exceed this limit, the recording won't be saved. All I need to do then is just click on this record. Now I'm hoping this is going to work. It's not showing the video image of me because I'm on this other video recording, so it can't record me as well. It's just put an image in the corner. Let's just click done. I'm now going to save and exit. It's not showing. So you can see it's confused this slightly because I actually tried to record it twice. That was all I recorded. Stop this. Let's go back and just record Voiceover. Make another copy of my original. Again, go to Uploads, click on Record Yourself. This time, record a voiceover. And this has dropped it into a very different view, which is adding the audio. You can see down here, record, and you can see it's changed it to a video and spaced them out with the different spacings. They all seem to be about 5 seconds. We'll see how that goes. Let's record and see what happens. I've selected my microphone already. It doesn't need to do that. It gives me a countdown. This is my new Canva V course book. It's a combination of video and ebook. And this is going to go through how to start your design. And there's a video tutorial on this page. I'm going to finish this so it's playing the whole video. But of course, I actually wanted to go through and just go to a different page. I'm not going to be able to do it in Canva, make a quick video of going through this book so people can see what it's about, because it's just not going to work this way. Because I put lots of video tutorials in this ebook, it wants to start these rather than let me flick from page to page, which is what I was hoping I could do. So I'll be recording this a different way for my socials, maybe do it on my phone, it might be easier, and I'll see what happens. But what I was actually trying to show you was how strange I think recording yourself is in Canva and that you have to go to Uploads to find the tool. I hope that helps. And if you found this video useful, then please click the subscribe button and you'll know next time I'm recording. I hope to see you next time.